guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are here in Kuala Lumpur and I'm going to show you what's inside 7-Eleven.
Hello Kitty guys.
Wala malagi. Wala naman laging egg, wala yun ani.
Wala bitaw. Wala ito sa kubdo ha.
Daghan na ba ni maging anak?
Kuan ra oy 6 ra.
6, 8 naman gud to.
6 ra lagi. Unya kuan ka bukang ito lat oh. Awa guys, mo ni siya ang soda ning mga eggs. Pila na kabuok? 2
4, 6, 8, 10.
See?
May pagka ni mo palito no? Ipon-ipon.
Nasa lang Milo nuggets.
Milo
wala
nuggets.
Wala sa bangka. And nasa sila Nips, akong favorite. Albay, uy, albay.
Nips ko daw, doon na yun ako kitag nips eh.
Palita?
Nagdagan na ba klase oh? Tulo.
Tulo na lang kabuo. Will buy. Guys. 3 ka ng, saan na siya? Beef flavors, no?
3 flavors.
But, yeah, this one milk chocolate. Yeah, kani siya, peanut raisin. Yeah, peanut, chocolate coated roasted peanuts. Kani, ay, ungo man siya upuan. Peanuts. Na sila KitKat.
KitKat. Nasa lang Snickers. Kada tanan coffee and sila cup noodles and hot water here, bread. Kanindot lang diri kay na sila dagan klase nga pan. Ay, na sila dagang pan. See, mga pan. May nakanindot diri nga 7-Eleven sa Kuala Lumpur. Da pa oh. They have gardenia na snack size tiramisu. May nakanindot diri bino?
Yeah.
Kaya sa snack size ng mga pan?
Okay, tabi.
No.
They also have croissant. They have this bread. Roti. Berenti pandan.
Dapat diri kanay mga waffle.
Yeah.
Sila yung mga waffle.
Waffles. Na egg. Fresh egg.
And
Egg vanilla.
they have here
They even have this one from
muffin.
Gardenia. Muffin Supreme. So many choices.
Yep. Pero nagyan pa sila loaf. In loaf. May nakanindot diri guys sa Kuala Lumpur nga 7-Eleven. Even though gagmay lang stores.
Yeah.
Compared sa Bangkok. Pero diri dagang sila pan. Here they have lots of instant noodles and
also show them the Kopiko. This
here,
one?
yeah.
This is our favorite Kopiko brown.
Kopiko brown.
Because we have the same in the Philippines. Like you need to
and
try
this one we also have this.
Yeah, this flavor. You need to try this one because it's not that strong. This one Kopiko. We'll buy Kopiko before we go
Coffee?
back to Bangkok.
Coffee ka? Ano ba?
And in the Philippines and in here, there is Kopiko candy.
The
if you
same.
yeah.
We also have Kopiko candy in the Philippines.
Here,
And they have dates, Bio. Here, they have dates. See, they're selling dates. They have Milo. Here in the section are coffee, instant coffee. They have what? They have Starbucks chocolate. It's my first time to see this, baby. They have Starbucks chocolate. See? Starbucks chocolate. Drinks here in Kuala Lumpur are
They have Japanese. A lot of Japanese drinks
Wow,
available
they have
at
Japanese
7-Eleven.
drinks.
This one, oh, Sapporo.
Sapporo.
And also this one, Doka
Oh yeah, the
Sapporo
brands
Ribbon.
they're even Suntory.
We don't have those drinks in
And then
Bangkok.
they have the Poca. And they have
Mickey, Minnie,
Mickey.
Evian.
And the usual 100 plus.
These are the snacks available in
On this side are the chips. Chips. And here in this section
thumbs.
are my favorite.
And also here, peanuts and almonds. These are actually from Bangkok.
Yeah, oh, these products Tong Garden are from Thailand. And here guys, you see thumbs. You should thumbs up all my videos, okay? Please.
Guys, familiar money. Those who have kids. This is my nieces. Yeah, my nieces are watching the show. Upin Ipin.
Oh, there's no open here. Only
No, the brand is
Pin.
no Upin and Ipin.
This guy is who? Pin?
Same man gud na sila og now.
Ah, you is open and this guy is Ipin. This is
Twins
open.
man siguro na sila.
Upin
I'm not
Ipin.
sure.
I didn't know that. Anyway, here are more chips from Pringles. Here are the regular
Yeah.
candies,
Plastic tabi.
Mentos. This one Eclipse. We bought this yesterday.
Mag-plastic na sa ta.
Okay,
I'll show you guys. Wait, how to open.
slide.
Okay, here in Malaysia, they have this Minions banana. Banana.
Banana.
Next is this Lipton one. Oh my gosh, I
No,
think this
Lipton.
is yummy.
Lipton Crush.
Yeah.
Ah,
Lipton, and they have this coconut corn.
Asian Delight.
Yeah, they also have this one, black bean selecta. Let's go to the other side. But I think those are
These are the same Magnum.
Yeah, here.
Near Häagen-Dazs.
Here, oh, this one, they have this one. How to open it?
Slide.
How to open? They have this Poodle Pop. Tornado Grape. They have this one.
Top 10.
I don't know how to pronounce. Huong Vanilla. I don't know how to say those. They have this one. Actually same. You have already seen this one. This one is a watermelon Poodle Pop as well. And what else? What do they
Yeah,
have?
same Cornetto.
Yeah, same. Those are the you can find those. They have their fresh to go, soya sandwiches, chicken, meatloaf.
Yeah, what is that? Nasi lemak.
Hey, they have nasi lemak.
Yeah, they have to go
The
nasi lemak.
chicken. They also have this,
Sandwich.
yeah, sandwiches, and this
Cake.
one
What's that?
goreng, bihun goreng. This stuff. Hello
Nips.
Kitty, Hello Kitty, Hello
That's-
Kitty, Hello Kitty. You know, I'll show you. Here on the floor.
Oh.
Next. Next.
Hey guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in 7-Eleven stores, check out my channel. In the videos you can find 7-Eleven in Bangkok, in Taiwan,